Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really nice purple eye look for you. It's going to be a look that you can wear during the day, but you can also wear it at night and make it a little more dramatic. So let's get started with the look. So to begin, I'm going to be using this Infallible Pomade Concealer from L'Oreal. I'm going to use that on my eyelids just to even out the skin tone. The palette that I'll be using today is my Morphe 35P palette. So it's this palette right here that has all the purples. I'm going to use this color right here, which is just a nice beige, and I'm going to use that all over my lid. The next shade in this palette that I'll be using is this shade right here, and it is just a really nice kind of purpley plum shade. So I'm going to use that as a base all over the lid. So the next shade in this palette I'll be using is this shade right here, and it's just a really nice deep plum purple shade. I'm going to use that in the crease of my eyelids, and I'm going to use it on the lower lash line as well. So next, for inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is just a really nice light purple shade. It's a really nice lilac. I'm going to use that for the inner corners of my eyes as well as the lower lash line. So to soften the lower lash line, I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is just a really nice soft pinky plum shade, and I'm going to use that on the lower lash line just to soften it. So now moving on to mascara, I'm going to be using mascara from Flower Beauty. It's their Lash Warrior Mascara. I really like this mascara because it separates your lashes and gives you a lot of volume. Before I apply foundation, I'm going to be using my NYX Green Concealer, and I'm just going to put that on the areas where I'm naturally a little more red. So now moving on to base, I'm going to be using a Bobbi Brown foundation, the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation, and I'm going to be using an LA Girl Luminous Glow Liquid Highlighter, and I'm going to mix the two together to create a really nice dewy base. So now I've mixed the foundation and the highlighter on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to apply it. So for concealer today, I'm going to be using one from L'Oreal. So it's the L'Oreal Pomade Concealer, and it looks like that. And I'm just going to use that in the areas where I need more concealing, under my eyes, around my nose and my cheeks and my chin. next, moving on to contouring, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Insta Duo Contour Stick in the shade Deep. I'm going to be using the contouring side to contour my face and just to bring a bit more warmth to my skin. So now moving on to highlighter, I'm going to be using this highlighter here from Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Strobing Stick in the shade 200, which is Nude Glow. So now moving on to powder, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Insta Fix Matte powder, and this is a really awesome powder because it blurs your skin and it just makes it look really smooth. So for brows, I'm going to be using an Elegoo brow pencil. So I'm going to use this one here because it's really fine. And it's called Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and the color I have is Brunette. So now to set my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Boho Brows Clear Brow Soap to hold them in place. So now moving on to lips, I'm going to be using two lip products, one from NYX and one from MAC. So the lip liner I'm using today is in the color Nude, so I'm going to start with that and line my lips. So the lipstick from MAC that I've chosen today is Velvet Teddy, and it's just a really nice nude type of pink color that looks really good with purple. So there you go, this is my very simple daytime purple eye makeup look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. So in my next video, I will do part 2 of this makeup, which is dialing this makeup up for nighttime. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to make sure you never miss a video. And I will see you next time.